About 9 a.m. South Central Missouri. And it was thundersleeting just a second ago. We've got nothing but sleet and ice. And I've done our steps, and the ice melt is really not even working. Not even working. Everything is covered. I'm not leaving the porch. I'm in my slippers. Got the chickens all hunkered down. Thank goodness Miss Piggy's already gone to the butcher. Yeah, it's sleet and ice. I'm on the porch and it's just pinging me. I have a sister in KC. As you know, Kansas City shut down due to the weather. And my parents are near St. Charles, getting mostly snow. So it's crazy, the difference in weather all in one state, but you know, it's Missouri. It's Missouri. And I'll give you guys another update here in a couple hours.